Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how can you log in into your Coinbase business account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open any of your browser into your computer. And now after opening the browser, just simply search for coinbase.com or open the site for Coinbase directly, and it will lead you to this homepage of coinbase.com. Just simply click into this sign in button, and after a short processing it will show something like this interface. Now in order to log in into your Coinbase business account, just simply scroll down a bit and it will show the option to sign in to a business account. Click into that option, and after clicking into there, all the process will be similar as your personal account's login. Now you have to enter your email address into this box and then click to continue. After that, enter your password into this box, then click to continue. Now you have to enter a 6-digit code that was sent into your email address. And after entering the verification OTP, it will automatically log in into your Coinbase business account. By following these very easy steps, you can also log in into your business account of Coinbase very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.